Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company. Today I'd like to answer this question. What kind of companies can foreigners start in China in 2019? Based on the last legislation, the recent changes, etc., etc., foreigners can still start four types of companies in China. First of all, is wholly foreign-owned enterprise, that is WFOE, okay, wholly foreign-owned enterprise, and that is the most common type of company among foreigners. And second type is representative office of your existing company. The third type is joint venture, okay, and fourth type is partnership. So this all of these four types of companies are are a separate topic in their own, and because I'm not going to take this time to explain the differences of the companies. That is actually you can do simply by googling. There's enough information already. So what we can do is, if you decide to start any one of these four companies, four types of companies in China, we can help you. And just brief information about WFOE, which I mentioned that the most common type of company that foreigners start in China is WFOE is a limited liability company. Okay, you can, as the name suggests, is entirely owned by foreign shareholders, and the director and supervisor, both of which are required positions by law, can be foreigners. Okay, shareholders and all 100% employees can be foreigners. So you can actually start this company from distance. But of course you will have to visit China at the time of application, but you don't have to really be in China or live in China to register this company. But you have to visit China at least twice for the application, and second time for the for the corporate bank account and to register with the tax office, etc. But other than that, you don't have to live in China. You can just run it from distance, no problem with that. If you have any questions, please send us your questions through WeChat or through email, or you can just call us or add this telephone number to add on WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social networking websites. So yeah, that's it about this question, and see you guys next time.